Okay, YouTubers. My name is John Vega, and I'm doing a repair on a refrigerator. It has an ERIIF error code, and the fan freezes up and stops working. And a lot of people say you have to unplug your refrigerator for 8 hours and let it defrost and take all your food out and all this other stuff. But I had an idea. I thought, well, the fan that's frosted is the fan that feeds this door, this ice maker right here, right? The ice maker is inside the door, right here, you see? And all the ice started melting. And the cold air wasn't able to get in there because there was vents in the back of this refrigerator back in here. And those vents right there, if they're plugged up at all, that's why I put these flat, small items in front of the vents so that stuff can't get in front. But what happened is somehow a bag of bread got pushed back into this corner, and that bag of bread was plugging up these holes right here and preventing the air from circulating properly. And I believe that's what caused the fan to freeze up. So the solution, I believe, see, this is where the fan blows cold air through these ducts and makes ice cold air run inside of the ice maker inside of this door. So I believe I can just sit there and grab this blow dryer, and I put this on there because it seemed like when I had the head of this blow dryer too close to these vents that it started getting kind of a little deformed. I don't want to mess up the refrigerator and scar the refrigerator. But I did see a little tiny scratch already being made by me pushing it straight up to the vent. So I decided to back off and make this little tube and tape it up there. It's a paper towel tube to my blow dryer, because that's an unusually hot blow dryer. I mean, it's a regular hair dryer, but it's a little more than that. It's almost kind of like an industrial type of blow dryer. And so I decided to put that tube on there, and I'm going to blow into these vents for about 15 minutes. And I think that that's going to defrost the fan in the back of the refrigerator. There's another guy online. He has a YouTube video where he opens this freezer up and he pulls out these drawers here, takes them out, and unscrews a couple screws or whatever he needs to do to pull these drawers out. This one and this one here too on bottom. And I think we'll be able to avoid that today and just do it this way. Okay, thanks for listening. All right, so this is the closing remarks on the LG refrigerator repair, the LG F1 error, or ERIIF, I'm sorry, the ERIIF. I think it means internal fan or something like that. Anyway, ice fan maybe, who knows. Anyway, so yeah, it worked. Blowing air into those vents. You just need to get get yourself a blow dryer that isn't too hot, because it will deform your plastic if you blow it too hot right on those plastic vents that I showed there. So yeah, it works. It defrosted the fan. You don't have to sit there and empty your refrigerator and let it defrost for 8 hours, or pull out your whole drawers in your freezer and blow dry the back, like the one guy shows in a video where he pulls out the freezer drawers and use a blow dryer for like 20 minutes blowing on the back where the fan is located, on the back wall of the refrigerator. And so the easiest way is just open your refrigerator, sit yourself down comfortably in a chair, and set the blow dryer on there for about 15-20 minutes, and that's good. It should defrost your fan. All right, happy days.